All right, so I went to Home Depot and I got a marble slab, and the reason I got this is because I want to start filming on top of this because my desk, which is a mess, I'm in the middle of doing a whole bunch of things, but like, not sure if you're going to see it. Let me turn on the light. That might make it worse. But there are all these like little scratches on it. And so what I'm finding is like when I'm filming, like let's say I get something on here and I start wiping it, it goes into all these scratches. So I am going to do that and kind of update this a little bit. And I'm still organizing, so I figured I would take you through what is currently happening. All right, so I'm hoping that that is going to work. I'm a little worried about the edge here, so if it becomes a lot, I will move it back to line it up, but hopefully this works. Okay. All right, it is significantly later than when I started filming all this stuff, so I need to start putting stuff away, and I really, okay. So this is the drawer that houses all of my polishes, and you would have seen this in part 1 and it was awesome, but I think it's going to have to change. I haven't figured it out yet, so I'm still working on it because I have to add all of these, and I'm keeping my dip powders in a different place as well, so I have to organize that. And I have another storage unit, but I'm not quite sure. I think these are gonna go in there because I got that, and you guys know how I feel about those. I love them, but I can't, you know. And then my extras, I'm also thinking about moving into that other storage. That way I know this is like usable space, and I still have all this that I haven't fully, you know, organized. This hasn't changed in like, I don't know, 3 months. Yeah, so I gotta do something because it's driving me crazy. All right, so this is where I house extra dust things for my Valentino, extra mask, and then I have my extra labeling tape as well. This is in a closet that has a bunch of stuff in it. And then RIP, I still want to see if I can get that fixed. Essentially, what happens is the fuse blows every time I plug it in. Then one that does work, and this is where I think that stuff is gonna go. All right, my camera was not recording and I wasn't gonna take it out to re-record it, so I have my extra wipes, the glue, the sponges, extra more of these wipes, and then the other stuff that was in that drawer. I had it in a little square one. I just made it bigger just so it doesn't kind of move around, and when I get more stuff or I need to put more stuff in here, that's, whoop, sorry, hit you. That's when I will kind of organize this a little bit more, but right now I can see everything. So I have a new, another one, I should say. Although this one, I'm not sure if you can see. This has done this forever, but like the base down there is not secure. So well, that one's gonna stay on that side. But I gotta clean this. I'm giving my nails a little bit of a break. We'll see how long that lasts, but let's clean this so we can put that new light on. All right, so we set up the second one. This one is actually a lot newer than mine. So it has like 3 different settings. So that's full power. And then turn that guy on. So you can see it's on both sides. And it's just gonna look real good. I think this one might even be brighter. Or this one's just older, which is the sky, the first one. But I think it is going to work great. Let me back up. Ignore, I haven't figured it out yet. But I think it's gonna be good.